Kia everybody, I'm in windy Wellington and I'm out exploring. I'm on Mount Victoria today and there's a lovely view over my shoulder of the city of Wellington. It is very windy today. I saw a xiphometer this morning and measured the winds. It's like 28 miles an hour or something, so the airport's closed. There's whitecaps all in the harbor. It is very windy. Okay, for all my Lord of the Rings fans, this is the area where they shot all of those tree scenes. Look at all these cool walkways through Mount Victoria. But I am impressed with these pine cones. Look at all the pine cones on these trees, y'all. So there's some green ones. Look at that. Rows and rows and rows of big pine cones. Never seen anything like that. They're all down the branches. It's crazy. This beautiful monument is for the auroras here. Look at all the lovely colors. So the Maori people call this the land of the low white cloud. Well, we definitely got a low white cloud today. I lost them out. And that right there is the airport runway. Look how short it is. I like to take off of that. With these winds, I can understand why the airport is closed. So when I was at the cultural display, our tour guide Daniel was absolutely excellent, and he explained some of the things about the fronts of these Maori buildings. So you see how they're all kind of scary looking? They have their tongues sticking out and they're in like warrior poses, and you don't see any soft female portrayals or children in these. And that's because the fronts of these were supposed to be intimidating. They were supposed to scare away intruders or people that intended them harm. And the women were inside being protected. Hi, howdy, hey everybody. I am up on top of the cable car museum botanical gardens thing. It is rainy and cold and windy, and I think I've had enough of Wellington. It's a really pretty city. I think I just should have come on a better day. I did get to go to the museum. Oh look! Let's see the cable car coming up. Ta-da! Okay, so I did get to go to the National Museum today. That was phenomenal. That was a great way to spend inside. And I went and checked out the planetarium over here. So that was nice. But I think I've had enough of this cloudy, nasty outdoors. I am headed inside to paint.